And joining us now to talk about the city's response to the crisis is Boston Mayor Marty Walsh. Mayor Walsh, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me tonight.
Now, yesterday, the White House Task Force on Coronavirus said that they are, quote, very much focused on Boston. What does the response look like from your office and around the city right now?
Well, if they're focused on Boston, I want them to hear this. We need tests. We need support. We need equipment. We need to make sure that we continue to stay ahead of this virus. Right now, we're at about 5,749 cases in the city of Boston. 187 people have lost their life. We're in the middle of the surge, if you will. I think the person who spoke, I couldn't see if she was a nurse or not. I want to thank the first responders and the frontline workers for their great support. This is every day a new battle here. We wake up and we go at it again, trying to keep these numbers down. That's what we try to do. So federal government support is welcome if they want to send it to Boston or Massachusetts. Because
you feel that it's still lacking. I mean, every day, pretty much at the press conferences recently, we've heard from the White House saying that there are enough tests. Are you saying that that's not true in Boston?
We certainly don't have enough tests in Boston. I know we don't have enough tests in Massachusetts. I think we've tested 1% of the population in the country, so that's clearly not enough to get the information and the data to back up how we go back as a society back to work and restart our economy. I think not having enough information is key, and we're focused on it in the city. We're expanding testing locations in the city of Boston to our health centers. There's 9 of them that are going to be doing this within the next couple of days. Some are already up and running. Hospitals are doing it, which is great. But we really have to get mass testing as we think about going back. I heard Mayor Bottoms talking a few minutes ago about Atlanta being opened up or being opened by the governor. We really need data. Mayors need data to look at it to see if it's safe for people to go back to work. Of course, everyone wants to go back to work, but it's making sure that it's my responsibility to keep people safe and alive at this point.
You've repeatedly told people not to run the marathon course today, even though today was, of course, scheduled to be the Boston Marathon. And earlier in a press conference, you said that people gathered together over the weekend at golf courses and also in parks. How is the city enforcing social distancing, and how important is that right now?
Yeah, the majority of people are paying attention, but when people go out and whether it's run the marathon course, one person, or show up at soccer fields or golf courses, what you're doing is not only putting yourself in danger, but you're potentially putting loved ones in danger. And you could come in contact with somebody who has the coronavirus and take that virus into your home, and this virus is proven to be a killer, and do some serious damage in your home. And really, it's about social, physical distancing. Today is Patriots Day, and I'm so proud of the city of Boston. And generally, we get together and celebrate the marathon. And I would probably just getting home right now if it was the normal day. But we ask people today to celebrate by staying home, but by social distancing, by washing your hands, by making sure when you go out you're wearing a covering, a mask or something on your face. At 9 o'clock tonight, we're asking everyone to be home from 9 p.m. till 6 a.m. We have a recommended curfew, and the majority of the people are paying attention, but we're still seeing too many cases where people aren't following through.
Lastly, Mayor, your biggest concern?
My biggest concern is that we rushed back, and I think as far as Boston, the economy was incredible prior to the coronavirus. We were setting records. We had record low unemployment. We had record high construction projects. But my concern is that we all focused too quickly to get back, and we're in the similar situation within the next 3 to 5 months, 3 to 6 months afterwards. Right now, it's about social isolation, physical isolation, and doing all the things we do to stop the spread of the virus.
Mayor Walsh, thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.